Hello and happy Monday. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and we are here today to show you a simple, easy card for our Make It in Minutes Monday. And I really wanted to focus on the designer series paper before it retires next week. Super sad. This is one of my favorite designer series paper. It's bright and bold, and I just wanted to focus on that. Plus, we're going to be using the blueberry cardstock as well, which is another color that's going to be retiring. So to get us started out, we're going to be using the second to the largest stitched shape die for the circle. We're going to be using the second to the largest scallop circle from the layering circle dies. And then we're also going to be using the Rooted in Nature stamp set. This is from the set, it's a 2-stamp set. We're going to be using the Thinking of You stamp. So to get started, we're just going to go ahead and we're using 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then we're just going to give this a quick burnish. Then we're going to take our Whisper White piece, which measures 5 3/8 and 4 1/8, and we're just going to use our snail adhesive on here. So we have that, and now this is going to go on top. However, we're going to wait for that. We're going to take our stitch circle and we're going to stamp that saying Thinking of You in Mango Melody. I thought it was a fun color that I hardly use. So I want to make sure I get a good covering of that. Gently tap in there, and looks like we got a good covering. And we're just gonna layer that right on top. Next, we're going to take our snail. We're just gonna put some tape on the back. Layer that onto our scallop circle, just to give it a little bit of an accent back there. All right, so next we're going to take our polka dot tulle Whisper White ribbon. This is such a delicate and fun ribbon that I thought it would just add a little bit of an accent to this card. And we're gonna have it towards the bottom part a little bit more. And I'm just guessing at how much. I'm thinking maybe about 20 inches. I don't know. It depends on you. For me, I'm challenged with bows. So, all right, we're gonna put a little bit of adhesive down here and here. And that is just gonna give us it'll hold this paper or the ribbon in place. And we're gonna adhere this to the front of the card. Next, we're going to take and put dimensionals on the back side of this card, or this little greeting, sorry. And now we're just going to place this right on the front here. And then, last but not least, we're going to add some gems, excuse me, not dimensionals. We already did that. Okay. All right, so we're going to pick out, these are from the Holiday Rhinestone Basics. They are carrying over into the annual catalog. Super excited because I love these colors. We're just going to place a couple of these gems around. And there we have it, a quick Make It in a Minute Monday card. If you have any questions, certainly let us know. We will have measurements and more information on the supplies on our blog. Make sure you, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And again, hop on over to our blog, which the description is below you. Thank you so much for joining us today. Take care. Bye-bye.